Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whenever watching this, welcome to a new vlog. It's 5:15 a.m. in the morning, quite early for us, but we used to getting up early for rides, right? But this time, it's going to be a drive towards north side. I think we'll have the suspense for the next video, which would come on Wednesday. Hopefully, I'll try because this is going to be a family holiday. It's just me and my wife heading out for a short trip. We haven't gone for a trip in a long time. The last one was Goa. I think that was when last year November, if I remember correctly. So wanted to be private, but I'm also at the end of that December 90-day challenge, so want to finish off with the bang. I think we might have 2 videos before the end of this year, so that would be a perfect gift for all my subscribers and for myself. Looking forward to this destination. A lot of interesting stuff there, especially the safaris. But this lens is a 16mm lens, and I wish I had a zoom lens. I tried renting in the market. I couldn't find the options to buy, but they're very expensive, like 70,000 to 1 lakh. The reason we're starting early is we want to avoid any traffic and also reach before sundown, so that we won't have any issues getting into that destination. It's a resort and it's in the middle of a jungle. That's the only hint I will give you. These are the bags for today. Just a backpack with some electronics and emergency stuff. Gonna miss taking the riding gear, guys. Sometime last night I was like, okay, let me surprise my wife by actually suggesting her, let's go on the bike. We have the helmets and all, right? I've even set up the Senna on all the helmets. But then I realized I don't have the bike. It's in the service center for the last, 1 month. They're waiting for a part to come. It hasn't come yet, and there's nothing we can do. Anyway, we'll have my morning coffee and catch you guys on the road, okay? Hey guys, it's been almost 1 hour since we started. Covered 46 kilometers, lost touch actually driving a car. This is the first long drive I'm having in the car after maybe Bangalore. Hello Manavna.
Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Sorry, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are.
అయిపోయింది ఇంట్రో
Okay,
హాయ్ చెప్తే చాలు
take three.
హాయ్ చెప్తే చాలు ఇంట్రో
లేదు, నేను ఇస్తా for a change. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whatever you are up to, and welcome to iGuru Crazy's new vlog.
Wrong. So excited for the trip?
Of course, I'm super excited for this trip. Like I said, I thought maybe we wouldn't have any trip in 2020, but luckily in the last days in 2020 we are having one. So super excited.
We started when it was almost like night time, but within 1 hour we can see daylight, and there's so much of fog, like immediately outside the city. Not so much in the city obviously, but I'm missing the bike already here. Like looking at these average speeds and looking at the empty roads. If it was the bike, I think would have been fun, especially because it's cold. It's 14 degrees out there, and would be so much fun when it's cold. This is something I'm not gonna enjoy in a car, which is the toll. But luckily these tolls are empty. Somehow they are not charging us. With these roads I don't expect them to charge, but oh, there's a smaller one. Need to pay tolls. Need to get used to paying tolls. The government wants us to use FASTag. We have the FASTag, but this toll didn't have any system. They said by Jan 1st you need, all cars should have mandatorily, all vehicles should have mandatorily FASTag. We have had it for a long time, but even the toll booths need to accept, right? Weird. So that's the idea. You don't know the highway which we are in. You don't know the location. It'll be a surprise. So by the time this video ends, maybe you'll get to see the location. We'll have a slight glimpse. We'll keep it surprising till the end of the trip, okay? Best thing you need when you're doing long drives is music, company, and occasionally some food. If you have all, and obviously the vehicle, and this is the perfect vehicle for highways. I've driven almost 1,000 kilometers in US, and in India too. I've driven this quite a lot till Bangalore and beyond. This is probably the most comfortable car for you to be on the highway. Stop for the first break, and you might remember this place if you go watch my amateur lay series where I edited everything on the phone. This is a typical first stop that we have for breaks. Way Adigas. Hopefully that's open. How was your breakfast?
Good, decent. Yeah.
But the washrooms need to be better here. For guys it's okay, but for girls and a woman, it needs to be better. You probably can't see it in the camera. There's a speed triple there. Speed triple, not even the street triple. Sounds excellent. Sunday morning rides for them. Our ride is the Elantra. Let's go. Saw at least 3 premium bikes. One a Harley, a Triumph, and I think the other one is probably an MV Agusta. Like long time back, maybe 2 years back, we used to do those breakfast rides. But not anymore, guys. We got bored of those Sunday morning breakfast rides. Like literally they're meant for breakfast. Like this guy stopped at Way, you guys have a good breakfast, go back. There is certain fun to it because of the cold weather. In December it's fun. Rest of the times it's so boring. It's been 1.5 hours since we started. Out of that, half an hour is just a break. So probably need to do some miles so we can beat Google. Current ETA is 3:42. It was 3:15. So need to make up that half an hour. So many monkeys and a diversion, but the roads are under construction. They are much better than what we had in the beginning of the ride. There was a lot of uneven traffic. Here the roads are good. We made up a lot of time. The ET is around 3 p.m. so we made up quite a lot of time. But I don't know if you've recollected this spot. So this is the spot where Shriman had his famous tire puncture, where we struggled so much for it till he reached home. This is the first step when we came back from Leh. Hardly going beyond 20 and can't overtake because these cones are also too narrow, too close to each other. But good there, some construction work happening. Just off for a quick chai because was feeling slightly sleepy. What, it's 10:30 right now. Covered almost 300 kilometers. We're just 150 kilometers from Nagpur, so did good distance, but it just like felt a little sleepy and she had to use the washroom. Been searching for one good washroom but couldn't find one. How's the ride so far?
Very nice.
Sleepy, tired?
I am enjoying the ride, but I'm not sure about you.
Well, she thinks I would enjoy more on the bike, which is true, but this is also fun. Next up would be lunch break in Nagpur. I think we are in Maharashtra since the last half an hour. You want to try Haldiram's lunch in Nagpur?
Yeah. We'll have it now.
Okay. You might have observed it. Only the keen observers can notice that. She didn't wear the seatbelt for the last 10 minutes. We stopped for chai, right? Since then she was relaxing quite a bit. But then there was a big...
The indication.
Yeah, like on the Nexon where it constantly beeps saying wear the seatbelt, this doesn't, that just lights up, but I could hardly see it in the reflection of the sun. Bad, Manogna, bad. How can you do that? But comfort wise, do you like the Nexon or the Elantra?
I like Elantra.
Oh, okay.
Because comfort wise, this is much better than Nexon, but Nexon has got advanced features than Elantra.
I thought that was a truck going in reverse, but then it was on a footbed of a lorry.
There's one more.
Even this one.
Uh-huh.
We're close to Nagpur and the roads are getting bad slightly. Otherwise, so far it's been good. And in this car, I have to say, man, it handles brilliantly, especially because of the low center of gravity. You sit so low to the ground, and whenever you get those nice corners, long sweeping corners, it handles brilliantly. It gives a lot of confidence, except the suspension is very hard, so you can feel all the bumps. I think the bad roads have begun. Fastag became quite fast actually. We hardly stopped at any toll except for the first one where they collected cash too, saying the FASTag was not available, but somehow it got deducted. So need to get that refunded. But I think this is the last toll before we get to Nagpur. We are just like 32 kilometers from our destination. The destination is, by the way, Haldiram's restaurant. We covered 478 kilometers in 5.5 hours. This is just the right time. Break was another 40 minutes, so almost 6 hours from home. We are close to Nagpur, so that's pretty good time. Not as fast as it would have been on a bike, but that's okay. Chalo, now I have to face the Nagpur traffic and some detours and constructions till we cover this 30 minutes. Seems reasonable, not as much as what Shriman and Shiva faced when they went to Nagpur. They're doing some crazy plans here. You'll probably see in the next video where they're heading. I thought they would do a 5-day trip, but this they are going to do a much longer trip. So gonna be interesting. Stay tuned for that. Don't think that expressway is open. So still need to go through the old route. At 6.5 hours we reached Nagpur. Not much traffic here actually. It's just that last stretch was very bumpy. Occasionally there were big potholes too, so I had to watch out. But pretty good so far. Hungry, madam?
Kind of. But I just had snack.
Full murkulu. The last stretch, 15 minutes. The big thing is the parking. That's going to take some time. Once we figure that out, we'll have lunch, relax for a while, and it's just 100 kilometers from here, the location. This is Jayanti Mall or something. Previously, I think we went to the original Haldiram's location. There's apparently a new one, I guess. But there's a restaurant and there's parking. So all set, guys. Let's get inside and see the crowd. Hopefully we can get to have some nice, lovely lunch finally.
A few moments later.
This is not the actual Haldiram's that I wanted her to try. It's just that this is the regular Haldiram's restaurant. The one is in the main city, so we're heading there. That's like 20 minutes. This is like the regular Haldiram's that you can get anywhere. Even in Hyderabad, we have small Haldiram's in AMB Mall. But we want to get the actual lunch from there.
Really enjoyed. First time I enjoyed the thali this much.
So she finished probably 60% of the thali,
Hello,
not
not
100%
60,
like I did.
80 at least.
You didn't have any reloads, you didn't have, you completed all.
Oh,
I didn't see.
Come on, name good a picture.
Sweet
this
completed.
person. Oh, I
So then
swear I
80% for
completed.
sure, then 80%. But worth it? You
Definitely.
come back again?
Definitely yes.
That's good. And we're just waiting for the valet to get the car back. Once it's done, we'll head to the main location, okay? Body ka fuel nahi, excess fuel ban gaya. Now we need fuel for the car. Just gonna find a fuel stop. We have 94 kilometers to go and 2 hours of travel time. That would probably be done in 1.5 hours once we hit the highway. But the lunch was good, yaar. Hope I don't sleep in the next 2 hours. Are you sleepy? You're gonna sleep?
I'm not sleepy, but I enjoyed the food today.
Good.
After a very long time.
Nice. Roads have improved quite a lot since the time we came to Leh. That's the last time I have come on this road, and oh man, the roads have changed. They're completely white topped and they're flat, not those bumpy white tops. And Shriman was saying till Gwalior the roads are like this. That's good news for maybe the future rides, next year rides obviously. And these roads are as good, if not better, than what you get outside, like in US or Canada, man. Seriously, not joking. Done amazingly well. And this area is very scenic. This is a long flyover on top of, in the middle of the forest here, and that's done intentionally so that the wildlife have a passway through. I formally entered the tiger reserve area, but before this, when we were entering, we just crossed into the Madhya Pradesh border, and there was some checking done. But the roads still in the last 10 minutes were amazing here, amazing. As you can see, we are officially in the forest area. So far, no wildlife sightings. We're not expecting to, but we're like just 10-15 minutes away from the resort. Not too deep into the forest area. This is just like 15 minutes. Typically in Karnataka, I guess you can go in 1 or few hours deeper into the forest. This is just close to the main highway. Let's hope things are good tomorrow and after. Today we're just gonna chill, relax. We're staying here for only 2 days or 3 nights. That's the off-road stretch to the resort. Sorry if the camera is shaking. I'm trying my best to not shake it, but this car is not meant for off-roading, guys.
Now I'm getting a proper feel.
I'm actually hoping to see full clear sky of stars today. Hoping. So that we can do some astrophotography. I like that. How's the resort so far?
It's good. I mean, I love nature, so I'm enjoying it.
So just heading to the lobby area here to have some tea. While she's doing some selfie work, look who we have here. What was the walk he said? There is an eco park walk. He suggested us to go, but only for half an hour to hear the animal calls in the night. But it was getting too dark, so we didn't want to do it. Tomorrow we'll do it. Tomorrow morning we have a safari, and then day after also we have an afternoon safari. We might do a night safari. We'll see how things go by. You'll know in the next video. But enjoying some nice, really nice lemon tea here. Small baby rabbits. One thing I don't like is they're trapped inside. They should be free out. There's some recreation stuff in case you wanna kill time. Badminton, TT, carom board, foosball, small foosball table, trampoline. The camera is brightening things up quite a lot, but it's very dark. This villa has a beautiful lake view.
Not many stars,
We don't know, we'll see late in the night.